guys, we're on our way up to Cleveland to visit with Ryan from RMSFab. He is going to basically give us a tour of his shop and show us what he does on a daily basis. We're going to film him welding some stuff and just hang out with him for a little while. We're about 3 hours away, so I'll see you guys when we get there. What's up, guys? We finally made it here to RMSFab. We're going to go over my manifold and some stuff from Ryan and meet Ryan and see what he does. Alright guys, so we're here with Ryan from RMSFab. Say hi.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so we're going to check out my manifold that I've waited on and I've been very excited about, and been sharing some pictures and stuff, so let's get into that. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. My T3 turbo manifold with the billet collector. Man, this thing is beautiful. Like, the camera and pictures don't even do it justice. Like, I promise you, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna let Ryan kind of explain everything and kind of like the process of what he does to get this thing together.
What's up, guys? I'm sure you've seen on K-Swap we offer a bunch of different configurations for the MR2K stuff. As you can see, for Brian, this is a compressor housing facing the driver's side, which most of you guys have been wanting. 44mm flange. We do a divided T4, open T4, and T3. We also have another configuration where the compressor housing can go on the passenger side if you have the trunk wall cut, but either one will work. But Brian wanted compressor housing on the driver's side. So with that being said, a lot of people are asking about the billet collector and why it's important. There's a number of different reasons why. Obviously everybody knows it's high quality, but they don't exactly know why. The billet collector, obviously saves us a lot of time, but you don't have the seams behind the weld inside the ID of the collector you would normally get when you hand weld something. You don't have all the, when they weld this seam, they either leave it raw or blend it. The problem is there's usually an air gap in there and you can have cracking from there. With the billet, there is no seams, there is no air gap, so it evenly disperses the heat, and which is good because you don't want any hot spots in the collector. So as I've told almost all the customers already and future customers, you don't pay anything extra in labor. You're simply just paying for the collector and paying for that high quality piece. So with that being said, like the pricing on the T3s are $10.50 shipped in the US. So it's really competitive given the kind of quality that you're getting. Just a couple $100 more than somebody else, and you get a billet collector every time you buy a manifold from me. So yeah, man, that's about it. If you want to zoom around a little bit.
Sure.
And then we can also get Brian's 6266 mocked on there for you guys to see.
Alright guys, I got the turbo sitting on here. Looks great. This is the 6266 with a T3 106 housing. So hopefully this should be plenty to make around 750. I'm not doing anything crazy right now, but I'll let Ryan explain his design and why he did what he did.
Okay, so the reason why it's sitting exactly where it is, and a lot of guys ask a lot of different questions on fitment, is most everybody draws oil from here, they button the line here, and feed right through here. So with that being said, the way we clocked it, so you can clock the center section forward, feed here, and then drain it back here against the firewall if you still have one, and then down to your pan. So your oil line is not going through the runners, getting hot, or you have any sort of issues like that, because obviously you don't want to do that. You do not want to get that oil any hotter than it needs to be. So with that being said, even with the HP covers, we still have plenty of clearance of the valve cover, and with the S covers, there's a ton of room, so there's a lot of access to all the bolts. And then when you look down here, Brian's firewall is cut, so he's not going to have any issues. But even if you do have the firewall, you could just put a 45 right on here, and it should go straight through the firewall with a small hole. So the fitment on that should be really, really excellent.
I mean, it looks great. It looks great. All right, guys, now the fun stuff begins. Ryan is going to weld up this swirl pot for me, and I'm going to set up time-lapse video of it, so enjoy. Alright guys, we got Ryan's got the swirl pot halfway done, so we're going to let it cool off here. As you can see it, looking fresh and good. Look at all them clean welds. So we're going to let that cool off, and while that's cooling off, we're going to go down to his shop and check out the shop and Ryan's MR2. You will not be disappointed, I promise you that. Hey, what's up guys? We finally made it. We're here at Higher Standards with Ryan and Jared, and we're going to show you Ryan's car, his MR2, and it's pretty freaking sweet. So let's flip it over to Ryan and we'll check it out.
What's up guys? We're here at Higher Standards. Just wanted to do a quick walk around with you guys in the car. I know it's been a while since we did a big update video. So figured what we do is we'll just start at the front and we'll work our way back. Some of you guys may have seen it a while back, but we just got the 10-gallon fuel cell, twin AEM 380s, and then it Y blocks into a -10 up to the rail. And then we also got the 12-circuit body harness. That's all going to be custom wired here by Jared. So we'll still have power windows and all that stuff, trying to keep it as streetable as we can. And then we also went with the Poon headlights, which you'll see in future videos. And then we got the custom battery mount all dialed in to keep some weight over the front. And then your standard Mishimoto radiator with the Meridyne Elite Champion Series fans in the back. Infinity controlling those, of course. Still to be installed, the line lock and the staging brake, which we'll show you in the center in a second. Just a basic TN flex suspension for now in the car until we get some seat time. So we'll go over to the inside. It is a Rhodes 12-point cage that we did all the fabrication on. All the joints are TIG welded, all the plates are MIG'd in, and then we did sound deadening 80 mil Noico on the whole inside to keep the noise and vibration down, as we still want to keep the car fairly streetable for now. But as you can see, K-tune billet shifter, CNC staging brake, which Jared's all going to be finishing that stuff up real soon. And then race pack IQ3 dash, and that will connect to AEM Infinity via CAN bus. Of course, got the parachute release here. And then moving to the fun stuff, it's a K24 sleeved O-ring. Inline Pro did the work on that. billet I-beams, custom Y-scope pistons, K20 head, fully ported, advanced airflow, Preonto Stage 2 cams, Alfarea Comp Plus valve train, all the usual stuff up here, Skunk 2 Ultra, K-Tune rail, 2150 cc injectors, K-Tune 90mm throttle body, of course running the RMS Fabrications billet collector divided T4 with twin precision gates, 6870 Gen 2, 100 AR on that. For now we got the GearX gear set in it with DSS 5.9s, M Factory LSD on that side. If you want to pan up here, we got the boost solenoid plumbed in directly to the plenum, all Fragola stainless steel lines with heat sheathing throughout on the gates and the fuel pressure regulator, as well as the Fuel Lab 365 series regulator. Coming to the back, we have a custom water to air setup, of course, that we built in-house. We also, you may have seen in previous videos, we cut the whole trunk floor out, replaced it with a nice thick piece of stainless steel just to kind of solidify the trunk floor up a bit, give us a more sturdy mounting point. But the whole system is going to be -16. We're in the final stages of finishing that up. We're going to have all the fail safes with the Infinity to switch our fans on, and also oil pressure fail safes and fuel. And then underneath, we'll take a quick peek. Still got 3.5-inch downpipe coming to the rear. We took a Civic radiator, welded -16s onto it, spaced it out to keep our lines nice and straight. Another Meridyne Elite Champion fan, 12-inch, which will get wired to the Infinity and switch on when we need to. But we'll have some more videos coming up. We're going to be putting the shift selector back on, starting the wiring, the Poon headlights. Geez, there's still quite a bit left, but Race Pack IQ3 install, and some other stuff. So look on my channel, RMS Fabrications, to get the updates on that. And we'll see you guys then.
Tell them your Instagram. You have an Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram is RMSFab. Facebook is Ryan RMSFab. So check me out.
Alright guys, so Ryan just got done. Finished up with the swirl pot, and man, that thing looks absolutely insane. Great work by Ryan once again. Awesome. Alright guys, so there it is. Our day has come to an end. Hanging out here with Ryan from RMSFab. And I guess it's time for me to hit the road. So Ryan, thank you. I appreciate all your hard work and everything you did.
No problem, and thank you for coming up, driving a long way, and picking up your manifold and checking fitment and everything looking good and getting the swirl pot done. And if you guys want a swirl pot welded up, if you get the kit like Brian has here, you can ship it to me and I get it all welded up for you. And said just PM me, Facebook, Instagram, RMSFab. Of course, you guys know how to find me on K-Swap the World. So
yep, and I will put all the links to his YouTube and all of his social media stuff, and also the link to the swirl pot. And I think we're done here, man. So
hey guys,
I appreciate everything, and see you later.
Thanks.
Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah.